as you heard, I'm a physicist, and I think that the way we talk about physics needs a little bit of modification. I remember spending an afternoon at Nana's house in Urmston, studying quantum mechanics, and I had these folders open in front of me with this, hieroglyphics, let's be honest. And Nana came along, and she looked at this folder, and she said, "What's that?" And I said, "It's quantum mechanics, Nana." And I tried to explain something about what was on the page. It was to do with the nucleus and Einstein A and B coefficients. And Nana looked very impressed. And then she said, "Oh, and what can you do when you know that?" Don't know, Nana. So the image of physics, right? We've got an image problem, let's be honest. It hasn't moved on much from this. This is a very famous photograph. It's from the Solvay conference in 1927. And this is when the great minds of physics were grappling with the nature of determinism and what it means only to have a probability that a particle might be somewhere and whether any of it was real. And it was all very difficult. And you'll notice that they're all very stern-looking men in suits. Marie Curie, I keep nearly saying Marie Antoinette, which would be a turn up for the books. Marie Curie, third from the left on the bottom there, she was allowed in, but she had to dress like everybody else. So this is what physics is like. There's all this kind of hieroglyphics. These are to do with waves and particles. That is an artist's impression of two black holes colliding, which makes it look worth watching, to be honest. I'm glad I didn't have to write the risk assessment for whatever was going on there. The point is, this is the image of physics, right? It's weird and difficult. It's done by slightly strange people dressed in a slightly strange way. It's inaccessible. It's somewhere else. And fundamentally, why should I care?